Non-conductive epoxy, the oxymoron of adhesives. It's an oxymoron because epoxy is not conductive at all. However, adhesive manufacturers can change the mixing ratios and impregnate the compound with additives that allow epoxy to be conductive. The most common conductive adhesives are silver-filled thermosetting epoxies. The advantages of using conductive silver epoxy over traditional soldering methods. Its compatibility with wide range of surfaces, which includes substrates that you cannot solder, displays a low thermal stress during processing, provides a lot of process latitude, exhibits excellent temperature cycle performance, a solder mask is not required, there's no pre-clean or post-clean requirements, it's a non-toxic metal, and it provides finer pitch compatibility. For information about Adhesive Systems epoxies, visit us on the web at www.instantca.com.